Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at my Legion secrets. So I'm super happy that it's another Monday. We're doing another video on my Legion secrets. I'm posting this out here and I'm going to talk about a strategy that I follow, which is always an additional way to write better emails. So my Legion secrets, guys, is part of my strategy of how to get $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing, something that I've been doing since March of this year, 2023, and that our buyers on it. This is not something that I'm just promoting. I'm documenting my journey, and that's the important thing for me to say. I've noticed a lot of people seem to think that I'm making a lot of money with my Legion secrets, but it's more about using my Legion secrets as a traffic source, as a way to advertise, because I do have a full-time job. I do have a 9-to-5 job, so I have a source that solves two problems for me. So I'm going to hop on my screen and share with you this strategy for my Legion secrets. All right, guys, so before I go ahead and share with you what my Legion secrets is, I do want to mention that if you do like this video, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you can notified every single Monday for the My Legion secrets videos that I post. But also during the week, because I do at least 3 videos every single week, you can get access to all of them by just hitting that subscribe button and bell notification so that you get notified when they do. Now, I've noticed that a lot of people who are coming back to my channel and watching are not subscribed. So if you're one of those people, subscribe below and I will be happy to give you the notification that new things are coming out. And as this community grows, I want to make special content for the subscribers as well. So let's grow the community together. As I said, my Legion secrets, guys, for me has been a very useful tool in my whole portfolio. For the specific reason is that I do have a 9-to-5 job. I love my 9-to-5 job. I do this as a side hustle, and I don't want to spend too much time. So my Legion secrets, as I've always said, solves two problems for me. One, it solves the problem of advertising itself, because I don't need to look for people. I'm getting 100 leads every single day. So it's a product that provides me with 100 to 200 leads, email leads every single day that I can email out and then generate sales, views, whatever I want. It doesn't mean that I'm going to make money. It doesn't mean that I have to promote to my Legion secrets itself. Like, I don't promote the product to the product. It just doesn't make sense, in my opinion. I do multiple things, but I do not only promote that. It can be a good income source if you want, but I don't use it as an income source. I use it as a traffic or advertising source because it gives me 100 leads. And secondly, it also allows me to practice the skill of email writing or copywriting in my day-to-day life, because it helps me with work. It helps me with my day-to-day emails that I need to send out to my entire list, my own business. And as I grow as an affiliate marketer, as you grow with your income levels, email marketing becomes a fundamental aspect. And the cores of email marketing are what? Are learning how to communicate well through email, through copy with your audience. So you create your own voice, you create your own structure, how you speak to people. So for example, myself personally, everybody knows me as a no BS, no hype kind of guy. Just speak the truth, keep it really honest, and share this information. So those are the kind of emails that I'm going to be writing. And those are the kind of emails and the relationship that I have to build with my audience, that they know what to expect from the emails that I write. That is very important in the copywriting journey. So this is the two aspects that it helps me with, right? It doesn't guarantee that sales. It doesn't guarantee that I'm going to make money every single day and so on and so forth. But it is a tool that the product is, I want to give you 100 to 200 leads every day. You pay for that a minimum amount. How much does it cost? It costs $60 the first month and then $30 every single month after that. Why does it cost $60 the first month? Specifically because it's a one-time setup fee. And then the product itself costs $30 every single month. So $1 a day you're paying for leads, which is absolutely fine. It helps keep the momentum moving. So this is the reason why I personally got started with my Legion secrets. It was a no-brainer. It gave me, I didn't have to spend any time searching for 100 people every day. It takes a long time to create content and get 100 people every day. So this is really helpful in that sense. And then I follow the strategy. So we're only talking about step 1 right here in my entire how to get $1,000 per month. Additionally, it also creates cash flow, because I'm not sending my Legion secrets to a landing page and collecting an email address. That's not what I'm doing. I'm sending it to a sales page. And yes, people might say, why are you doing this? I'm specifically doing this because I want to create cash flow. I'm not doing it to get those leads onto my email list. I will buy leads. I will buy advertising on sites so that I get the right and higher quality, definitely, audience. People are really interested onto my email list. You can use that from the very beginning, but I think you'll get lower conversions, and you will need a lot of patience for you to get sales that way by using My Lead Gen Secrets. So this is, in my opinion, the fastest way. It also is generating cash flow for me, which I then reinvest in step 2. But we're only talking about creating the cash flow, creating that income from My Lead Gen Secrets to an offer, and then you get a sale. That's it. I have multiple results related to this. If I go to my stats here, or sorry, forget about stats. If I go to transactions here, you're going to see that in the transactions, My Lead Gen Secrets, like it keeps MLGS, like every week I'm getting sales this way, and it keeps going on and on. So I'm pretty happy with the results that I'm seeing personally, and the active, like I've done, I think so over $1,000 already this year with the offer that I have, but I think it's around 27 sales or even more. Actually, let's see. If I go to March, you will see the entire, so that we are aware. There you go, guys. So you can see I've done 52, not 26, 52 items were sold using just My Lead Gen Secrets. So as you can see that like results are not a problem, because like, look at this, 52 items that were sold just with My Lead Gen Secrets. That's a brilliant since March. That's really brilliant to see how just this one product, actually, I think it's even more. Yeah, I think it's even more, to be honest. Let's just go here and then again, put the MLGS. Okay, yeah, so it's 52 items that were sold. So we are on a very good path, in my opinion, to grow with this. And I see it as something that's going to go on for a long time in terms of sales. So My Lead Gen Secrets is definitely something that works. It is part of the plan. It's creating a cash flow for me. That's what I'm trying to say. It's creating a cash flow. So what is the strategy that I use to get these kind of results? It's a very simple strategy. First and foremost, as I said, you will come to My Lead Gen Secrets, click on mailing system, and send out an email every day. That email, I try to construct in such a way that helps me talk about the product. Now, you can do it in multiple ways. One of the ways that I personally do it is I use the sales report. The sales page. So let's go to an offer just to give you an example. Okay. So if I go to approved only, and I'm going to take an offer, let's use let's use one of the nice ones that I have out here, which is Millionaire's Apprentice. Guys, if you want this, by the way, let me know. Let me know in the comments and I'll send it out to you. It's not something that I actually share with people usually. So if I go to the sales page right here, it will take me to the default sale page. This is the default sales page. Okay. But I want to go, let's just do this because I want to go to the actual sales page for a specific reason. There's going to be just a video here, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Yeah, so there's a video and that's it. So this sales page, for example, is not going to do much for me. However, let's use another link. Okay, I'm just going to use default. Let's use this. So, okay, guys. So here I am. Sorry, it took me a while, but I'm here on the sales page and I just want to show you like how to actually do this, right? So I'm not looking at the offer. Basically, in your sales page, there's always a sales letter. So somebody has written basically the offer has exactly what it is. It introduces the offer. It has some testimonials usually that are there, and then it has some success. So one of the strategies, and it's a very simple strategy that you can use. One of the strategies that you can use to write the best email is that you can pick some statements from here, from the sales page itself, some key aspects which are unique, and you have to go through the sales page so you know the product that you have. Firstly, you're only sending it to products that you own, but you also see the sales page and take from that sales page specifically some information. Go to ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT to write a short email, and I've shared this ChatGPT strategy in other videos, so I'm not going to go through it in detail, but you can use ChatGPT or any other AI to write an email for you, so that it's saving you 5 emails or 10 emails or whatever amount of emails, but use 1 or 2 points from the sales page itself. You can use so many options. I mean, come on, the sales page has so much information that you can really pick and choose and write emails for an entire month just in this manner. And that way, your emails, when you're sending out an email from My Lead Gen Secrets to the sales page, it is congruent, it is connected, your message stays the same between the email and the sales page. So people know when they read the email and they click on the link, they know that they're going to go to a page that makes sense, that is congruent, that is talking about the same thing. And therefore, because it's not talking about, you're not writing a generic email and then sending it to a page. You're writing a specific email and sending it to a specific page, which means that you're giving the best buying opportunity to your your leads that you're getting with My Leads and Secrets. This is a strategy that I also follow. I don't always do it in this way, but it is one of the strategies that I follow to write better emails. And you should be doing this because the more congruent it is, the better it is for the person. Imagine yourself if you're going through a whole sales process and the same message is passed once, twice, thrice, 7 times, 7 to 12 times, you're going to be more prone to buying that offer. The same thing is here. You're giving the opportunity for the person to have more visibility on the offer, but you're also giving the person the buying opportunity that connects to, okay? That is the same messaging in both. Once they have the same messaging in both, it's easier for them to make that decision, whether yes or no, either one. But at least you're giving them the best opportunity. So that's the work that we need to put in order for us to get sales. And this is a strategy that I use with My Leads and Secrets. It does take work. I'm not somebody who's going to give you lists or swipes and say, hey, you're going to make money with My Leads and Secrets and stuff like that. That's just not me, guys. You're going to get the real thing. And this is putting in the work and effort. And I think it's really important if you want to do email marketing and specifically affiliate marketing for the long term. This is something you need to learn. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for other videos. Hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. I'm going to see you on the next one.